National Weather Service in Wichita has issued a flash flood warning for Sedgwick County in east central Kansas.
The National Weather Service in Cheyenne has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Banner County in the Panhandle of Nebraska, northwestern Cheyenne County in the Panhandle of Nebraska, northeastern Kimball County in the Panhandle of Nebraska, southwestern Morrill County in the Panhandle of Nebraska, until 3 p.m. At 2:20 p.m., the confirmed tornado was located 6 miles northwest of Dix and moving east at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include the damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a Weather Spotter's confirmed tornado threat. The following impacts are expected. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Significant damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Extensive tree damage is likely. The tornado will affect mainly rural areas of northeastern Kimball, northwestern Cheyenne, southeastern Banner, and southwestern Morrill counties. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service in Cheyenne.